In this video, we will show you how to set up your Garmin Approach R10 golf device. First, we will begin by pairing your Approach R10 device with your compatible smartphone. To do this, you will need to download the Garmin Golf app on your smartphone. In this video, we will be using an Apple iPhone, but the process is similar on Android devices. We will now show you how simple it is to set up your Approach R10 device in either an indoor or outdoor environment. We will also cover quick tips to remove any obstacles you could have along the way. We'll cover the indoor setup process first. Begin by checking the measurements of your space. The space required for your Approach R10 must be a minimum of 15 feet long by 8 feet wide and 8 feet high. You should be able to take a full swing comfortably in this space. If not, you could see shorter distances or inaccurate metrics, and a larger space will be necessary. Now we can place our mat in the play space. The mat will need to be a minimum of 2 feet long by 2 feet wide. However, for the best experience, we recommend a mat size large enough for you to stand on and hit the ball on the same level. When using an impact screen or net, make sure the ball is at least 8 feet away. Using a longer distance could improve accuracy. With our tee location set, you can now place the Approach R10 device on the ground between 6 and 8 feet behind the mat location. Our recommended position is 7 feet behind the ball. Use the red line on the top of the Approach R10 device to align the ball to your target. To help with alignment, you could also lay down a golf club between the alignment line and tee. Now, safely position your golf bag behind or next to your Approach R10 to quickly view your shots of data on your smartphone. Now we're ready to take some swings. Simply open the Garmin Golf app and select a sim session. To learn more about the available sim features, follow the link now. Depending on your setup or environment, you may experience inaccuracies. See our Overcoming Challenges section to learn more. See our troubleshooting radar features of the Approach R10 in the description for more help. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you need additional help, visit us at support.garmin.com.